The quaint islands of Lakshadweep have been witnessing protests happening for quite some time. The trigger behind these protests is a chain of reforms that have been introduced by the new Union Territory Administrator Praful Khoda Patel, who replaced Dineshwar Sharma after the latter succumbed to a severe lung disease on December 4, 2020. Lakshadweep is a union territory that is directly under the control of the central government. The islands are protected under special provisions where alcohol is not allowed, no non-resident can purchase land, and for non-residents to visit the island, they need special permission from the administrator. Now, the Save Lakshadweep campaign has got further amplified after a few prominent celebrities supported the cause. Let's take a look at the situation on the island. Why are these protests happening? The present administrator, Praful Khoda Patel, was the former Home Minister of Gujarat and a BJP leader. After he took charge of Lakshadweep, he announced multiple reforms which have not been well received by both the locals and its neighbour Kerala. The main issue has been the Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation 2021 or the LDAR. This gives absolute power to the administrator to remove or relocate any islander from their personal property for town planning or developmental activities. Lakshadweep is an ecologically sensitive zone and laws like this, locals say, may disturb the ecological balance. The absence of a local government implies direct control of the centre, who are often unaware of the local situations. Thus, this bill will give absolute power to the government and all its arms to remove any islander from their property. The islanders complained that no public consultations were held before these measures were announced. They considered these measures to destroy their traditional life and cultural diversity. Some other contentious measures are beef ban. The island is a Muslim-majority island that speaks Jaseri, a dialect of Malayalam. The administration has introduced the draft Lakshadweep Animal Preservation Regulation 2021, which will ban the slaughter of cows, bulls and bullocks. It also bans transportation, selling or buying of beef products. The administration has also directed to cut non-vegetarian food from the midday meals. Non-vegetarian food is considered an integral part of the diet of the islanders, hence this move was not received well by them. Anti-Social Activities Regulation Bill. Lakshadweep has one of the lowest crime rates in the country, so naturally, when the administrator introduced the Anti-Social Activities Regulation Bill, the people were not happy. The bill threatens to put all those behind bars who oppose the government. If implemented, it gives unwarranted power to the administration to detain anyone for up to a year without public disclosure. Lifted ban on the sale of liquor. Liquor was banned on the island for cultural and religious reasons. Earlier, there was just one resort on the island of Bangaram that served liquor. The rest of the islands were non-alcoholic zones, despite being a major tourist destination. However, the new administration has decided to lift this ban to further promote tourism. The locals believe that this will destroy the region's social fabric and increase crime rates. Diverting cargo to Mangalore. The island has always had close ties with Kerala. The local businessmen relied on the Beypore port of Kerala for most of their business. So when the administration introduced measures for diverting all cargo to Mangaluru, it received a major backlash as it attempted to destroy the unique lifestyle of the islanders and their relationship with Kerala, with whom they share deep cultural ties. The Panchayat poll controversy. As per the draft notification, any member with more than 2 children shall be disqualified from contesting the Gram Panchayat election. It is to be noted that as per Niti Aayog, the fertility rate of Lakshadweep is 1.6 compared to the national average of 2.3. So, expectedly, such a rule would trigger anguish and panic among islanders over who can or cannot contest the Panchayat elections. Last but not the least, COVID management. Lakshadweep recorded the first case of COVID-19 only in January this year. It escaped the wrath of this pandemic owing to the strict protocols it followed all of last year. As per the standard procedure, anyone who enters the island would be required to be in quarantine for 14 days, followed by an RT-PCR test. Only then were they allowed to enter the island. However, the present administration has diluted the norms and said that only a negative RT-PCR would be enough to enter the island. Today, not only does Lakshadweep have nearly 1,000 active cases, but it is also among the top places in India which have recorded the highest vaccine wastage.